Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, welcome to our YouTube चैनल नॉलेज बैंक। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि तमाम हमारी नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंचती रहें। शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, today in this video we will discuss about our online system that is created in PHP and MySQL. So let's share it with you. Viewers, first of all we open localhost, then we use project name, then we will find this front page. Here we use admin as a username and password. I will share this whole project source code with you. You can get this source code by sending me email or or message on my WhatsApp number. So login here. After login as a administrator, we have few fields here. Dashboard, below classes, we can easily add class. Let's suppose class 9th section Tipu and save it. Viewers, very easily here on number 2 you can see we added a class. Its section is Tipu. You can delete it and you can edit it. For example, Shakespeare. We changed section name as Shakespeare. Here are the subjects. We can add subjects easily. You can add subjects of your will. For example, let's suppose subject code is 1, subject name is bio, description you can write it, it's optional. No, it's mean its subject code is already exist. 101. Okay, we added new subject with its code. We can add a new subject. For example, 102, subject name is chemistry. Here you can add a description that will remind you for which class chemistry is it. For example, 102 chemistry, code is for class 10th. So viewers, you can easily add number of subjects. After that, here are the students, list of students, and you can add new student. For example, add new student, student ID, let's suppose 1010. First name is, for example, Vasi, middle name is Heather, last name is Fiaz. Here is gender, male, address, for example, Boulevard, Street 5, New York, America. Students belong which class? let's suppose it's belong to 9th Shakespeare. We can easily save it. Data successfully saved. Student appears here, Shakespeare. Okay, now I can edit it or delete it. Here you can edit it or delete it. Let's see the last option, that is results. I'm going to create result of a student. Here I can get a result of student. And you can view the result by clicking here. Name, section name, gender, student ID, registration number, number of subjects, average is. You can change this average by changing formula of your choice, and at the end you can take print of its result. This is the result. You can save it. Okay, so result has been saved, and you can view it. Date is today is 10 April. So viewers, you can see here is result, time, date, subject code, and everything is here. So this is all about today video. If you want to receive this source code, you can easily email me. Email I has mentioned, and you can also message me on WhatsApp. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and wait next video. Bye.